Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my video and welcome to Freelix. So in this video I'm gonna show you that how you can make Hetzner servers RAID 0 so that you can use the whole disk for storing your websites. As you can see that I am currently in the rescue mode. Now you just need to type install image. After that, select your desired operating system. I'm using here Alma Linux 8. Now you will see SW RAID level. You just need to make it 0. Scroll down. I'm just giving the boot partition to 2 gig, but this is not necessary. And I'm quitting, and when you click the quit button, then you make sure that you save these changes. It will take like few minutes. I'm not pausing the video so that you can see the full thing what I'm actually doing. Okay, so the installation is now complete. Now you need to type this. As you can see, my RAID just got 0, RAID 0. Okay, now we need to change the password. You can just keep it as it is, like the password you will be receiving it first when you order the Hetzner. You can use that as a root password, but I'm just also showing you that how you can change the root password also to your desired one from rescue mode. For that, you need to type mount dev md2/mnt. Now I'm just mounting my root. Now you see here just Alma 89. This is my temporary host name which just got appeared. So I'm just typing here this. Okay, now I can set my desired password. I'm just keeping a simple password. Now you need to make a reboot, but before rebooting you need to first exit from here. Now you need to type reboot. So this is how you can cut your RAID and make it RAID 0. Thanks for watching my video.